Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS Small Business. Welcome to our Small Business Update. Happy new financial year. 2016-17 hopefully will be a great year for you and your colleagues in your business. There are many reasons that accountants who are offering a wider range of professional services can really help you in your small medium enterprise. And I'm just going to give you 6 ideas today that whereas you should be having some discussions with your accountant. And if your accountant can't help you, I've got great news for you, which I'll talk to you about a little bit later. The first issue I think you should be worrying about is your debtors days outstanding. Debtors days outstanding is far too high in Australia. If it's over 40 days, you need to get some assistance to try to reduce the amount of money you've got tied up in your debtors. Are you aware of the Personal Property Securities Register? Businesses have lost over $120 million already in court cases relative to this legislation. And there's rumours that over $200 million has been lost by other businesses that never even went to court over the issue. Have you considered protecting your assets? Assets that can be registered on the Personal Property Securities Register cover everything except land and attachments to land. So it's covering stock, vehicles, your debtors, intellectual property. A whole range of business assets are at risk. Succession planning. It's very important in businesses, not just for the owner or the CEO, but for every position. Do you have a succession planning strategy? Business plans. Well, business plans are like maps for tourists. If you don't know where you're going, how are you going to know when you get there? But more importantly, a business plan allows you to sit down for 1 or 2 days with your accountant or advisor and write down what you're trying to achieve in your business. And then throughout the year, every month and then every 6 months in a bit more detailed manner, you can sit down and see how you're going as compared to the strategies you developed in your business plan. Do you and all of your team members, especially your management team members, understand your financial accounts? With the modern computer software packages and the computers themselves, it's an ideal opportunity to be having your accounting firm supply a virtual Chief Financial Officer service to your business so that you can get regular, prompt monthly financial accounts for each business activity, have key performance indicators prepared, have ratios prepared, have input back to your management team as to how every individual business unit is performing. And then once a year, undertake a benchmarking comparison. That's work that your accounting firm can do for you. Have you developed a new product, process, service, marketing methodology or organisational methodology and wish to raise capital? Well, good news, you can now do so. The Australian government has legislated for the Early Stage Innovation Company legislation, which commences on the 1st of July this year. There's also great news for investors, because investors can obtain a tax rebate on their investment and also have an exemption for capital gains tax for a 9-year period on a investment in an early stage innovation company. Want to know more? Want to come to our special webinar to launch 2016-17, which is being presented on Wednesday the 6th of July at 4 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. To register, please go to our website www.esssmallbusiness.com.au. Whilst you're there, if you would like to find the name of an accountant or an advisor in or near your postcode who can assist you in understanding your business commercial records and dealings a lot more than an accountant that's only interested in undertaking income tax work, you can go onto our website, click onto the Accountants Advisors directory, and then all you have to do is to insert your postcode and you will be given details of accountants in or near your postcode who are prepared to supply a wider range of services which we're calling business advisory services. So good luck with those 6 key items that I've identified that I suggest you should be looking at in this first quarter of 2016-17, and good luck with your performance throughout the whole year. Have a wonderful new financial year. Goodbye.